Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to draw Ninja Higure from Stumble Guys. I hope I said that right. Going to start with his chin. Just a shape like so. Then I'm going to go down for his arm. One arm's going to come out there like that. And then I'm going to draw his other arm coming out. But he's just his sleeve there. Now he's going to line up there like that. Now he's going to have, he's slightly looking this way, so we've got to just make that, plan that. So I'm going to, if this is halfway here, we're going to go up a little bit, put a little dot there, because what we're going to do is we're going to bring the bottom of his mask up to there and then down to there. Now see how you can see more of this side. Now his eye is going to sit in here, so one eye there, like that. And the other eye is going to be here. And then we're going to put an eyebrow on. And you can make it a bit meaner. So you're going to, this one's slightly wider because we see more of this. Now we're going to come up, up, up. And now we've got to put on his headband, which is pretty cool. So let's do a little bumpy line like so on that side, and out here it comes a little bit, go up a little bit higher there. It comes out like that, and now we've got to join that up. So curve line like so, and another curve line like so. Now we've got to finish the head off. So we just bring it from here, up, across, and down. Now he has got an arm, a wristband, so let's put that wristband on. One side, it's going to finish off that body to there. And then he's got a wristband here. Now you don't see much of his hand, so it's just basically this comes into here. Now from here we're going to have his belt coming in through. But first let's put his thumb and his hand on like that. Pretty simple hand shapes. Alright, so now we've got to put his belt on that comes around like that. Curve line, another curve line, stop at about just before halfway, because this is going to come up there. So we're going to curve it from here, coming down like so. Curving from here, try and keep it the same distance all the way along. So that and all these are going to be the same. So this is now got to curve around there. Now we've got to go from the corner here and then curve, push that down. This comes down as well. Now we've got a line straight across from diagonally nearly the top corner down to here, and then another diagonal that way. On here we have a diagonal and another diagonal line. On this side, diagonal line there. And now we've got to draw his legs on. So this leg here is going to come directly underneath there. It goes like this and up to there, and then we see more of this one slightly side on, so it's going to come from here and it's going to be a shape like this and a curve out like that. Then we put his feet on, or his ankle straps, like that. And his shoe is going to be more side on, like this. And I'm going to draw a sole on his shoe, and a couple of little angle lines for there. And this one's going to be more front on, so we bring that down like that, and then this shoe comes down like that. And then let's put that on. And let's go with 1, 2 lines that way. Now he's missing something. He is missing his cool sword. So let's start with a little rectangle like that. And another shape coming up, like a 2 straight lines. And then I'm going to put a oval on the end of that. Now he's going to have some cool patterns like little diamonds. 1, 2 diamonds, and you can do more. There we go, there's his little diamonds.